Hello, this is Miss Melchor, and this video is to show you what to do if your notebook does not look like Miss Melchor's and somehow you did not follow directions like she told you to. Okay, so when you open your page, you're gonna have your your resource pages or your reference pages. Okay, I want you to follow along and make sure that you write down which pages you're missing. Some of you are going to be missing more, some of you are going to be missing just a few. Okay, so this is page 1. R1 is a syllabus. R2 is Miss Melchor's rules and procedures. R3 is the do nows and notebook expectations. R4 is the notebook check rubric. R5 is group roles. R6 is sentence starters for discussions and debates, citing and thinking map signal words. R7 is the nerd strategy. R8 should be empty. This might be one of the pages you are missing. R9 is empty. This is also a page you might be missing. R10 is your history vocabulary. R11 is your pre-course test. And R12 is where I live map and notes on how does BCE work. Okay, so now that you kept track of how many pages you're missing, you're gonna go to the last page that we've worked on, right? So skip through all your work, and this is the next empty page. We have the chart here, then you have an empty page. What you're gonna do is you're gonna number this with the resource page that you're missing. So for example, I'm gonna do 3 pages. So I'm gonna number this R8, turn it and number it R9, then turn it and number it R10. I'm also going to highlight the top corner,